The DNN network diagram provides a powerful visualization tool that can be used to explain outcomes of parents-teachers meetings, PTMs, at all levels of the education sector as aligned with ISO 21001, Educational Organizations Management Systems for Educational Organizations. Here's how you can explain and use it. Direct hit use of DNN network in ISO 21001 for PTM outcomes. Pushpin title. AI model, ISO 21001, Parents-Teachers Meeting Insights Across Educational Levels. DNN network, 5 input layers, 9 hidden layers, 10 output metrics. Author, Pradeep K. Suri, researcher and AI/ML architect. Detailed explanation of the DNN network image specifically tailored for parents-teachers meetings, PTMs, in alignment with the ISO 21001 standard across all levels of the education sector. Key reports for PTMs using DNN architecture, ISO 21001. 1. Student Performance Summary Report. Subject-wise academic performance. Year-over-year improvement trends. AI predicted risk zones, low, medium, high. 2. Behavioral Insights Report. Classroom behavior trend. Peer Interaction Index. Emotional Intelligence Flags, AI predicted. 3. Attendance and Engagement Report. Monthly/quarterly attendance patterns. Correlation with performance. Engagement scores, class plus extracurricular. 4. Parent feedback analysis. Sentiment analysis of parent comments. Most raised concerns/themes. Action recommendations based on feedback. 5. Individual Learning Plan, ILP, report. Customized goals. AI-generated milestones. Teacher and parent collaboration actions. 6. Remedial/enrichment suggestion report. Subjects needing support or push. Mapping to available programs. Weekly/monthly progress tracking layout. 7. Special Needs and Counseling Alert Report. Trigger for Special Education Needs, SEN, evaluation. Counseling session flags. Intervention urgency levels. 8. Recognition and Motivation Report. Student strengths across academic and co-curricular areas. Nomination for awards, certificates, or leadership roles. 9. Parent Engagement Scorecard. Participation in meetings, volunteering, PDA. Communication responsiveness. Recommendations to enhance engagement. 10. Class/school level PTM aggregated dashboard. Summary insights from all PTMs. Common issues, example math scores, device usage. Policy level alerts for school leadership. Bar chart key graphs from DNN PTM analysis. Large Blue Diamond 1. Bar chart, student academic performance. Subject versus score. Trend line showing AI forecast. Large Blue Diamond 2. Radar chart, multi-skill assessment. Academic, behavioral, co-curricular, attendance, and health. Large Blue Diamond 3. Heat map, class engagement versus attendance. Rows, students columns, weeks colors, attendance percent. Large Blue Diamond 4. Line chart, behavioral change over time. Plots mood/discipline indexes pre and post intervention. Large Blue Diamond 5. Pie chart, parent concerns categorized. Percent split across learning, health, safety, digital, communication. Large Blue Diamond 6. Stacked bar chart, remedial versus enrichment distribution. By grade, gender, or subject. Large Blue Diamond 7. Sankey diagram, input rightward arrow hidden rightward arrow output decision flow. To explain how input features, academic, behavior, led to ILP or intervention outcomes. Large Blue Diamond 8. DNN activation map. Visualize how different input layers triggered decisions in output metrics. Large Blue Diamond 9. Correlation matrix, parent engagement versus student progress. For identifying patterns at class or school level. Large Blue Diamond 10. Trend chart, school-wide PTM outcomes. Number of ILPs, referrals, recognitions generated across terms. How to use this AI-based chart in any education sector. White heavy check mark 1. During parents-teachers meetings, PTMs. Use case, present each student's performance clearly with AI forecasted trends to guide personalized discussions. Bar chart equals current performance. Line chart equals AI's future score prediction based on learning pace, attendance, behavior. Helps parents and teachers align on remedial actions, enrichment opportunities, progress monitoring schedule. White heavy check mark 2. For school principals and academic heads. Use case, identify subject trends at class, grade, or school level. Spot underperforming subjects or anomalies. Forecast grade level achievements. Allocate training or resources to weak subject areas. Benefits. Strategic planning for faculty hiring, curriculum adjustment. Evidence-based school improvement plans. White heavy check mark 3. For teachers and mentors. Use case, track individual student improvement and forecast performance. Provide data-driven feedback to students. Adjust teaching plans or intervention schedules. Track progress after remedial sessions. Add-on, teachers can maintain AI logs to validate and improve lesson effectiveness. White heavy check mark 4. For students, self-improvement tools. Use case, promote self-awareness and goal setting. Students can compare actual scores with AI predictions. Helps build ownership and motivation. Can be integrated with e-learning systems and dashboards. White heavy check mark 5. For educational boards/ministries. Use case, monitor academic standards regionally/nationally. Track performance patterns across institutions. Predict exam results at the board level. Design policy interventions for underperforming districts. Lightbulb practical deployment methods. Platform usage. LMS, Moodle, Canvas, embed graph in student dashboards. ERP systems, Feedna, EDUSEC, integrate into performance and attendance modules. Dashboards, Plotly Dash, use real-time updates with interactive filters. Printed reports, PDF, include chart in report cards or PTM handouts. Classroom screen/smart TVs display anonymized performance trends for classroom analysis. Pushpin ISO 21001 alignment. ISO 21001 principle. How this chart supports it. Learner-centered education, personalized academic forecast per student. Evidence-based decisions, visual, AI-driven performance analysis. Engagement of interested parties involves parents, students, teachers with common understanding. Continuous improvement tracks progress, evaluates impact of learning interventions. Equity and inclusion identifies students needing special attention/support. Rocket final thought. This kind of AI-powered, visual academic report makes education transparent, personalized, and predictive. Is easily scalable from one student to an entire country. Enables proactive decision-making rather than reactive correction. Would you like a Plotly Dash live version, or Excel export automation, or integration with school ERP for your institution? Thank you.